Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Colorblind Mode on CoinGecko application. Colorblind Mode helps by adjusting the color in charts and graphs for better visibility for people with color vision deficiencies. So here's how you can enable Colorblind Mode on CoinGecko. First of all, launch open CoinGecko app on your device. Make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, click on Profile at the bottom right corner. From your Profile section, look for Colorblind Mode option under Preference. Simply toggle on the button right next to Colorblind Mode, and this will enable the Colorblind Mode on your app. After you do that, all the charts, graphs, and indicators in the app will now use color-friendly palettes for better contrast. Open any portfolio, graph, or chart to confirm the new color scheme, and that's it. That's how you enable Colorblind Mode on CoinGecko. Now the app is more accessible and charts are easier to read for everyone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.